Hello, honourable teachers and parents and guardians. From the very beginning, my cordial love for you. And on behalf of my channel, RJ's Oxford English. Okay, thank you so much as you are watching or enjoying my videos day after day. And today, I'm here with a new rhyme number 7. The name of the rhyme is Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill. Okay, let's recite the poem, recite the rhyme, try our best to follow the phonics sound from Oxford Dictionary English.to English. Okay, Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Again, Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. But here, honourable parents and guardians or teachers, here are some words we should pronounce with phonic sounds. You see here, water and broke, came, and fetch. You see here fetch and water, broke, came. But some learners, some teachers, who guardians or parents, we recite in this way. Normally, Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pile or pail like this of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after, like this. So you must observe the difference between these two recitation of the rhyme. So actually we should follow the phonic sound while rhyming the rhyme. Okay, again, would like to show some symbols. You see here, broke. Sometimes we tell broke, but it is broke. It is broke. B R O broke. This is phonic sound. This is phonic symbol. This is phonic symbol from the Oxford Dictionary English.to English. Broke. You know that. Oh, broke. B R O K. Broke. Not broke. We pronounce broke, but this is broke. Like this. Came. It's a came. This is phonic symbol. And according to this phonic symbol, we pronounce the word came. It's came. Okay. Now again, we try to recite the rhyme rhythmically. Okay. Jack and Jill. The name of the poem, The name of the rhyme, Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Okay, dear, honorable, respectable, my dear guardians and teachers and uh, parents. Okay, and that's all. Thank you. Bye.